Hello, my crafty goblins and ghouls. I hope you're having a bootastic day. This is the Good Witch Robyn Pitts from Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to join me for my crafting adventures. Welcome to day 2 of the Spooktacular Halloween series that I am co-hosting with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Please join us every weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday through the month of October for new projects, fun tutorials, surprise giveaways, and we'll be announcing a grand prize winner on October 31st, Halloween night. To join the fun, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. or international resident, and you must be a visible subscriber to both my channel and Michelle's channel. Last but not least, you must watch and leave a comment for all of the videos that are featured throughout the month. For today's project, I'm really excited to share my Halloween loaded envelope box. I participated in a swap hosted by Carol Herlock. She was a guest designer for my Facebook group, Loaded Envelope Galore and More. If you don't know Carol, please go and visit her channel. I've included a link in the description box below. She creates wonderful projects, and I always am delighted when she hosts projects for our group. I had so much fun putting this project together, and for it, I used almost all Anna Griffin Halloween products. Before we get into the detail of this project, let me show you some of the items that I used. I used the Anna Griffin cut and emboss folders. This was really fun because you receive so many different images. Here are some examples that you can make with the folders. Let me show you what the folders look like. You receive 2 folders and a total of 8 images. On this folder, you have a pumpkin, a little skull. You have a little witch riding on her broom and the moon. And on this embossing folder, you have the owl, the cat, the jack-o'-lantern, and the bat. I also used another set of Anna Griffin Halloween cut and embossed dies. Now these create these fun background layers. There are 3 different versions, and here are some examples that you can make. Let me show you those folders. There are 3 different folders in the set. The first folder is this oval design, which is so beautiful, and if you look closely, you can see all of this wonderful detail. The second is this spider web background. This is really fun. And this last folder has the starburst on it. This doesn't necessarily scream Halloween to me. I think you can use this anytime throughout the year, but definitely at Christmas. I also used the Anna Griffin mini Halloween stickers and embellishments, and you can see on the side here there are lots of fun Halloween stickers. I used the Anna Griffin Witchy card making kit. Here you can see all of the different witches that you can make. Let me show you how large the card kit is. This is the Witchy card making kit. As you can see, it's pretty substantial. You have cards, card layers, the layered witches, as well as several embellishments. I also used the Anna Griffin Halloween glitter cardstock. This is a really wonderful quality. It's heavy cardstock. And last but not least, I used this Anna Griffin beautiful printed cardstock. She's got lots of gold foil detail. Here's just a quick flick through. Now let's get into this beautiful project. This measures 6 3/4 wide by 9 inches tall, and the depth is a little over 1 3/4. As you can see, I have a lot going on, and I wanted to create this fun little witchy scene. I did outline the box with this beautiful orange glitter paper, and in the background you can see hints of this spiderweb paper that has white and gold foil in it. Here I've created a beautiful floral cluster. I have chiffon glittered roses. I have silk flowers as well as mulberry flowers. I did use a combination of gold and white stamens. On the top here I have this little orange pumpkin. Here we have this fun little spider that's crawling into the scene. And then we have our beautiful little witch here. This is paper pieced. She has her little broom. On the bottom, we have a collage of wooden pumpkins in orange and black, and another little spider that's peeking out. And then again, I have this fun floral collage here. I love creating these little floral sprays, and I think they add just femininity and a pop of color to any project. I have some pieces from the Anna Griffin ephemera kit, and we have a little scaredy cat here and a pumpkin. On the bottom, it says Spooktacular. This is in gold embossed paper. I'm going to change the angle of my camera so that I can give you a closer look of the cover as well as all of the goodies inside. I'll be right back. Here is a closer look at the box, and can you see all of this beautiful detail? I just love it. I love how rich Anna Griffin's papers are, and she uses lots of gold foil detail. You can see it here in the spider web. This background here is part of a card front, and this sentiment is also from Anna Griffin. It says, "If the broom fits, ride it." And I love this little witch here. If I turn it on the side, she has 2 layers of foam tape in between the dress pieces. I did include a little broom here. She's got it tucked under her arm, so she's ready to fly away if she needs to. And look at this beautiful floral spray here. I love that. And a little spider. So let's take a look inside. For this swap, we had to create 2 tags, 2 altered paper sacks, and then a card. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. What I love about this, that it has accordion pockets inside that you can fill with goodies. So on the bottom of the box is a hinge, which each of the folders are attached. This is the first folder or pocket, and I've embellished it with this fun rosette and a little skull. There's also this beautiful embossed element, and that is from the embossed and cut folders that I showed you earlier. And I aligned this with the orange glitter paper. So this is the first pocket, and I'll show you what's inside. These are the 2 tags that we had to create. So this first tag here has black ribbon, this beautiful orange double looped bow. I did embellish it with a black faceted gem. Now the tag that I'm using is the Graphic 45 tag, and I use the Graphic 45 die to cover the tag. In the back, we have the embossed medallion, and in front of it, I have the silhouette of a witch. She's got her little broom. We have an owl, roses, a pumpkin, and then a sentiment that says Happy Halloween. Anna Griffin provides all of the elements that you need to create fun, easy layering. This is what the back looks like. I've just left this plain so that you can include a photo. This is the second tag, and again, we've got the black ribbon on the top, this orange ribbon. I did embellish this with a piece from the card kit. We've got a little spider and a gold spider web, and this one I think is so fun because you have a witch. She's surrounded by these pretty roses, and it says bugs and hisses to you. And then we also have this little bat here, and this is what the back looks like. So this is the first folder or pocket, and as you can see, it moves freely. So the front as well as the back of the pockets are covered. The second pocket I have decorated in this beautiful ombre orange color, and as you can see, it has lots of gold foiling detail. We have another rosette here with a spider, and then I used another piece of this embossed folder. Now I did cut the embossed images in half so it could create this little tag in the front. In this pocket, we have 2 paper sacks. Now these paper sacks I purchased at Michael's. These are by Celebrations. You can get these in the party section. On the top I have this fun little paper clip just to hold the bag shut, and it says Fabulous. And then I've decorated this with all paper from the Anna Griffin Halloween card kit. We've got 2 layers here. On the back we've got this fun antique text print, and on the top layer we have this orange and black print. And then I've created a little fun Halloween scene. We've got this little tree, a spooky haunted house, a little sentiment that says spooky salutations, and then I used a 2-inch circle punch to cut out gold foil to mimic the moon, and then a bat. So on the back, this is what the paper sack looks like, and then you can just open this and put in candy, embellishments, or any small gift. The next sack has this little paper clip here that says, "Witches be crazy." And I outline this one in orange glitter paper. We have this beautiful black and white print paper, and then I've just layered up a variety of the ephemera from the collection. So we've got this antique ledger, a little owl that's sitting on a pumpkin, and a sentiment that says "Happy Haunting." On the third folder, I have this decorated with the orange glitter paper, and then layered on top of that is this beautiful black paper with gold script writing. Again, we have another rosette and this gold embossed piece at the top. And in the back, the last item that we had to create was a card. Now this card is from the Anna Griffin Witchy collection. I think this is so much fun. I've layered in several different pieces here. We have this little sentiment that says "Best Witches for a Halloween." And then we have 2 witches here that look like they're chatting about what they're going to be doing on Halloween night. A little sentiment that says October 31st, and this pretty black and white floral element. Now that the box is empty, let me give you a closer look at this. I did line the insides with this pretty soft muted gray paper and a shimmery white paper. Then here are the 3 pockets. Now there is a 1/4-inch gusset in between these hinges, so if you wanted to include additional items, you could easily include them inside. If you'd like to see how to make this project, please join me next week. I will be creating another one of these loaded boxes in a fall theme, and I will provide a step-by-step tutorial. This concludes my review of my Halloween loaded envelope box. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Up next, please be sure to watch Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick to see her spooky Halloween creations. And remember, please join us every weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday throughout the month of October to see new projects. We'll also be hosting surprise giveaways, so you want to be sure to watch each video from beginning to end, because you never know when we're going to give you a secret clue to win fun prizes. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Happy crafting and happy Halloween.